everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix your hotspot is not working, but it is grayed out completely, and how you can fix this up. This is what you have to do. So in some cases, as you can see, many bugs are right now rolling out for iOS 15 after update, like Wi-Fi and other issues. We're going to talk about how to fix if your personal hotspot is grayed out on your iPhone after iOS 15 update. So let's move to it. So the first thing when you're having this issue, you just have to follow 3 simple instructions, and the first one, you have to do a force restart. So if you don't know how to do a force restart, I'll be guiding you to do that. So you just have to press volume up followed by volume down, press and hold power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. That is what it's called, force restart, and you have to see whether the issue is solved or not. Even after trying this, if it's not working, then we have solution number 2. Solution number 2 is you just have to eject your SIM card from the iPhone and you have to reinsert it back and see whether the issue is solved or not. Because some cases, in some scenarios, this might be the issue, so you just have to do this. Moving on to the third solution is all about, you have to do a reset all settings. So to do this, you just have to tap over here. So you just have to go over here in the settings. From the settings, you just have to tap on the general. From here, you just have to scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. And from here, you have to tap on reset. We have 2 options, reset all settings as well as reset network settings. So I request the first thing you have to go for reset network settings, and once it is done, you just have to go for reset all settings. After trying out a complete reset and see whether the issue is solved or not, these are the basic steps you have to try out when you're having the personal hotspot is grayed out on your iPhone after iOS 15 update. And this is how you can fix this up, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.